Hi guys, this is me, Magdalena, and this is a summary of the day because I started the day at 5 a.m. and it's 1 p.m. What happened during that time? I had so much energy and I was creating videos one after another. So first of all, 25 videos between 5 and 7 a.m. I think that's pretty productive. But I was prepared because I had all the topics written down the day before. Another thing is that once I started creating those videos and I'm in this new location, beautiful, that gives me so much inspiration that I keep coming up with more ideas and relating to our life, like the nature and the ocean and being naked in the bathroom, how this relates to us making videos and progressing and being better, being more efficient. So whatever you do, put yourself in a new surrounding, go to a new neighborhood, something completely new where you can immerse yourself and see things from a different angle than you normally see, because the new surrounding is what it does to you. So the rest will be taken care of by the universe. This was Magdalena from Miss Immigrant, Orange River Media and Amphibag, and please take a look at the description. There is some interesting information what I am doing and trying to achieve, and you can follow it, you can follow the hashtag, you can follow along my journey and join me on the journey.